Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will show you how to change smart art style to subtle effect in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document and take a smart art. Now we want to change this smart art style to subtle effect. Click the smart art, then go to the design menu, then click the smart art style drop down menu and find and select the subtle effect. Here this subtle effect and we choose it. Now we can see here we change the smart art style to subtle effect very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.